All right, guys, how you doing? Welcome back. Stu is back, and I got this 2007 BMW 328 XI base. I'm gonna show you real quick how to do the oil change in this baby, eye. So stay tuned. Come on, let's get it. Yeah. When I come through here, this is how you open the hood, alright? Pull this one. The latch is the lever is gonna be right here. Alright. Pull it up. You don't need to hold it. You got two pistons. This baby has 95,000 miles. All right. And well, at this point, if the pistons doesn't work, which this is the case on this one, I'm using this little guy. It holds the hood, stuck the piston in that position so the hood doesn't come down on you. I got it from Amazon. I'm gonna put it uh, on the description box. Or there's another section. It says, there's another section. It says products. You can find it there too. If you don't find it there, you find it in the description box. All right, let's get it. Oil cap, engine oil cap. Now this is the oil filter. I like to remove it and leave it there, sitting, so the oil, most of the oil come out of the oil filter. You don't need to though, but why not? All right. So I got this baby, heavy duty oil filter wrench set, magnets. Got it from Harbor Freight. Boom. It's a good quality. Can't complain. I thought it was gonna break. So far, so good. So can't complain so far. Complain so far. We're gonna use the 3086 16s. All right. This back. I don't want it to leak all over the engine. That's why I want to leave it here while the oil drain. You know what I'm saying? Or you can just pull it out. It's up to you though. Pull it out. Why not? Oh, we're gonna go down. Pulse. The car is gonna go up. I'm gonna go down. Pulse. No Diddy, alright? Stop recording. We're gonna come down to here. Here's the guy. I'm sorry. 17 millimeter. Alright. It's coming down. Oh, what you think about that oil? Put in the comment box. Can I go another 1,000 miles, 500 miles? You let me know. Be the expert. Or would you like to? Anyways, let's train it. Pause. Okay. Uh, once once you're done draining most of the oil, put the oil drain pipe back. Tie it with the 17 millimeter. Snug it. Set pretty good. Now let's put the new oil filter under the oil. It takes 6.9 quarts or 6.5 liters. 0W30 or 5W30. Alright? Full synthetic. Both. Now let's see the oil filter. Yeah, oil filter. We got main filter. We got Kent's. We got Melee, whatever you Pro Tune. Those two one. There you go. There you have it. Alright. With the oil filter. You have an oil ring over here. You can remove it. This guy right here. Then the oil filter comes out like that. Get the new one. Push it in. All Gucci. It's up to you if you want to put some grease in it. Lysol. Make it easier on yourself. Then put it back. Back in there like so. And with this guy. This one has the torque specification 25 plus 5 Newton meter. Put your funnel right there. Just pour your oil. There you go. 6.9 quarts or 6.5 liters. 0W30 or 5W30. It's up to you. Once you're done with the oil, just in back. That's pretty much it. Let me break it down for you. Ace coolant reservoir, windshield fluid reservoir, steering fluid, engine oil filter, AC ports, one here. The other one should be around here. Maybe under this. Oh, here's the other one. Okay, one here and one here. supposed to read. Pretty much. Alright guys, how to reset the oil life. Press the start button twice. Now there's a pin over here. Press it and hold it. Now you're gonna see that message. Now over here, right here, press it. It's gonna ask you reset. Press it and hold it. You're gonna see that little clock. Now it's reset. Now you can let this go. That's how you reset the oil life in this 2007 BMW 328i. I know I'm using a different camera. Let me know if you like it or not, so I can continue recording with the other camera. All right guys, I hope you like the video. I hope you enjoy. Anything you wanna say about this oil change, please put in the comment box. Let me know how you feel about this car. Like I said before, this car has 95,000 miles, and you saw the conditions of it. Well, it changed too with the depending where you live, you know what I'm saying? Obviously that a car like this in California is gonna look newer than a car like this that New York or any other states with the snow and all that. I hope you like the video. Hope you enjoy. Any questions, put in the comment box. Catch me in the next one. Astu Burum. Audi. Yeah.